don't know if you can see all these bees flying around, but all that's in here is the magic cell or right cells you have to buy now, Bragg's apple cider vinegar, and obviously the essential oil mixture. There's no sugar syrup, an open bag of sugar, which nobody's going for. They're all going to the essential oil mixture. Just a point of reference that they're going for a jar that is completely sealed. I can barely smell it, and they get out the way, bee. Get out the way. There we go. But they smell it, even though there's a flow going on. Finally, Aster finally hit. But they're in here after that. Thanks for watching.